Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Lily.
And today we're going to be doing some online tutorials. What are we going to be drawing today?
Sunset.
Okay, we're going to be drawing a sunset landscape. And what's important about sunset landscape? Blending the colours.
Yeah.
And we've also got to think
and also
about
putting the paper
landscape this way. Yeah. So we've got to put the paper this way. And we've got to think about things like the things that are closest to us and the things that are far away. The foreground, the middle ground and the distance.
Yeah.
Okay. If you like what you see in our tutorial, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to get notifications of new tutorials that are coming up, what do you need to do? You need to press the bell button, don't you? Yeah? Should we get started?
Yeah.
Okay then, try it. And we're going to be doing it over a landscape. So we've got to make sure our paper is set up like this.
It is.
Yeah, exactly like that. And when we're drawing a landscape, we've got to think about the foreground, the middle ground and the distance. So the foreground are the things that are closest to us, the middle ground are the things not so far away, and the distance are what? Is what?
Really far away.
Really far away, perfect, okay. Now, things that are far away, do they look big or do they look small?
Small.
Yeah, so when we're drawing the hills, we've got to change the scale to give a sense of distance. So the first hill we're going to do, basically we're going to do a wavy line like that, okay? Okay, and as we move further back, the hills are going to be a bit higher and a bit more round, okay? Because we can see more because they're smaller and they're further away. Okay. Like that. Yeah, so we've got our foreground, we've got our middle ground, and then we'll do our distance. Hold on. Okay. Excellent. Should we do another little hill over here, like that? Okay. Right now, the sun is very bright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to a yellow pen to do the sun. I'm going to draw the top of a circle here in the yellow. Okay, I'll pass that over to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really good. Excellent. Okay. Now we're going to do the clouds now. The sun is low on the horizon. So that means the clouds are going to be lit from underneath. Normally we used to see the clouds being lit from above, but they're going to be lit from underneath. So we're going to do the tops of the clouds in black. Okay, so we're just going to do like a loop like that. Great. I'm going to do another one over here. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to get some of these clouds to overlap a little bit so we get a sense of the sky. Do another one. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then we'll do one like that. Okay. Right, now normally we just stop, don't we, and then we just colour it in. But this time the colouring is part of the drawing, and it's a really important part of the drawing. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the hills first. Okay. Now what we've got to remember is the sun is there, so this part of the hill is lit up. So the top edge, but this part of the hill is in shadow. So we do the light colours along that edge and along there and along here. Okay, and then on this side we do the darker colours. So we've got, how many different kinds of greens have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 greens, haven't we?
5, 6.
Yeah,
7.
okay, so we'll use all the different greens,
Just
but the light greens there and the dark greens there.
Don't mix the Sharpies and those together because then the Sharpies run out.
Yeah, that covers it in wax. Okay, so you decide whether you want to use Sharpies or whether you want to use crayons. I think these will be good because they'll blend in.
Blend
They'll blend in nicely. Okay, so we're going to have to share. Okay, and what I might do is we'll put those greens there so we can both see them. Is I might get a little bit of this light yellow. Don't worry, it's okay because we're going to cover that up. Okay, don't worry. Right, so just use this light yellow, and we'll just do a little bit on there, just where it's meeting the sun. Okay. And now, see this pale green? We'll do the pale green like that. Okay. And along this side too. And what we're trying to do is get the colours to blend into each other.
Do we actually blend it in on top?
We can do later, okay? But just do it roughly now, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Really good work. Now do you remember, what's the distance? What's the distance? It's these hills, isn't it? Those are the hills that are furthest away. So those are going to be the lightest colours, aren't they? Okay? So you need to put that light green there. Yeah. And along that bit. And we'll do it on that side here. Okay, so on this side, we're going to do this green.
Maybe on top of the light green.
Yeah, so it starts to mix in together. Okay, there you go, your turn. Okay, and let's do this hill too.
Which one?
This one on this side. Yeah, your turn. This one here. Okay, so for the middle ground, we're going to do the same, but then we're going to add a darker colour. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit here in the light green, but not as much as the last time one. And here. You start to get shadows.
So the first part where the sun's hitting,
Yeah.
it gets lighter and then it gets darker and darker
That's
where the
right.
sun isn't really hitting.
Yeah, exactly right, because the sun is behind the hill, so it's just hitting the top, the light there, and this side is darker.
Which is something we have to use like lots of light, like orange, red.
Yeah, we will do. Yeah, especially in the sky. Okay. Okay, so the hill that's going to be closest to us is going to be the darkest. So we've got to work down the colour. So we've got the very pale green, then we do the light green. Like that. And then we do the mid green. To use the fun colours, aren't we? Okay, so we're going to get a purple. Okay, so remember the clouds are lit from underneath. Yep. Okay, so what we're going to do is where the black line is, we're going to follow that line with the purple. Like that, like this, like that. Okay? Do that for all the clouds. And then we're going to move down each colour. That looks a bit dark, so let's get this pink. And then we're going to carry on with that blending with the pink, like that. Do another little stripe along like this.
Is that the last colour?
That's the last colour for the clouds. So we're going to do a little bit more pink here. So we're using pale pink now. Like this. And just to help us when we start to do the sky, we do the underside of the cloud in the light pink.
You have to do them on all of them because I don't have much.
No, that's okay. Well, you can make the clouds a bit bigger, yeah? That was amazing. Okay, so now we're going to do the sky. And it's going to be kind of like a rainbow because we're going to blend colours up, okay? So we're going to start with yellow along the tops of the hill, so we use this darker yellow on this edge here. That's the sunlight hitting the edge of the horizon. That's just make it a little bit brighter. Like that, okay? Straighten up that drawing. Thank you very much for straightening that drawing up. We do it darker. And what we're doing is we're moving up to orange. If you feel like it, you can use your finger to sort of blend some of the colours in.
Can I do
Yeah,
it
just
like
most of
this
it.
one?
You can do, but I'd do it a light colour, yeah, because you don't want it
I
too
think
dark.
I have
Yeah?
a really good idea.
Okay then. Wow, what an amazing drawing. Thanks, Julie. That was awesome. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you did, please subscribe, and if you wish to receive notifications, press the button. What button do you need to press?
Bell button.
The bell button. So press the bell button. We've got another tutorial coming up, so if you want to stay and watch and learn some new things, please do. Don't forget we've got a Facebook page, which is the Magic Pencil Art School, and if you wanted to like us, that would be awesome. Okay, we'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.